Hey everyone, this is Kanika Sharma. So in today's video, I'm just gonna show you how I do my 2 minute regular makeup. That's too easy. And so let's start. Let me wash my face. What I use is Nivea. Let's go and I'll be back in a minute. Guys, I'm back and this is my face towel. Generally I use my face towel and let's start. Gently just tap your face. Don't do much, don't rub it. Okay, let's now it's time to give my face a good. Now I use this cream on my face that's from Zudio. I just bought it. Let me get a good massage to my face. Okay. You can use whatsoever suits you. Never use too much of products, but yes, use enough. See. Okay, it's done. It's done. Next is, let me see what I have in my bag. Where's my bag? Yo. Here's my bag. Let's see what I have. I have this. Okay. I have this. Lip gloss Shine from Zudio. Cheek tint from Zudio. What else I have? So I have this Long Last Kajal as well. I have next. I'll try this shade. Let's see. Okay, I have pretty much of things, and this is enough. I guess this is really enough. I use this bubblegum lip balm also because I don't want to do much. शादी में नहीं जा रही यार. Okay, let me just put what? let's use this kajal. Uh, 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 uh. Don't cry. It's going good, I guess. It's done. Sorry. Say sorry to me. Let's use this now. Have some. Okay. This is too much. I guess this side is too much. No. Yes, this is nice. I can use this on my eyelashes also if I want to. Let's balance it. Okay. I think I'm good to go. This is the final look. I don't know, but this is the final look.